DBTek Fusion splicers are built for reliability. But, to keep getting the best results, regular cleaning is essential. Start with the fiber holders. Wipe them gently with a lint-free swab moistened with isopropyl alcohol. Clean around the electrodes, where dust can collect during use. Don't forget the V-grooves. These are critical for precision. Wipe down the ceramic elements on the lid and clean the heater area thoroughly. Field conditions mean dust is unavoidable, but with routine care, your DBTek splicer stays reliable and ready. Discover practical tips and instructions in our full video series. Our team is here to support you. Contact us anytime.